For Immediate ReleaseChicago, May 29, 2018, Zacks.com announces the list of stocks featured in the Analyst Blog. Every day the Zacks Equity Research analysts discuss the latest news and events impacting stocks in the financial markets. Stocks recently featured in the blog include SAP SE, the smiley face, NYSE smiley face, Bayerische Motoren Aktiengesellschaft, BAMXF, Daimler AG, the smiley face, OTC smiley face, and KION Group AG, OTC smiley face. Here are highlights from Friday's Analyst Blog. 4 stocks to tap Germany's steady economic growth. Per the latest report from its Federal Statistical Office on May 24, Germany registered economic growth of 0.3% in the first quarter. This was half the level of growth that Europe's largest economy achieved in the fourth quarter of 2017. The decline came primarily on the back of a setback in imports, which declined 1.1% for the first time since the second quarter of 2016. Further, the balance of exports and imports hurt overall economic growth by 0.1%. However, strong overseas demand, low levels of unemployment and surge in industrial production has offset the effects of a reduction in the rate of economic growth. Under such conditions, betting on stocks from the Deutschland seems prudent. Dip in economic growth, just a blip. Economists have downplayed such a decline and termed it a blip, blaming it on a higher than usual number of holidays, a flu epidemic and a large number of strikes in Germany. Notably, the current figures mark Germany's 15th quarter-on-quarter growth on the trot, the longest such phase since 1991. Moreover, the Deutschland witnessed a calendar-adjusted year-over-year growth of 2.3%. Healthy domestic demand also drove economic growth. The gross fixed capital formation in machinery and equipment rose 1.2% and that in construction rose 2.1%. Further, household final consumption expenditures increased 0.4%. Lastly, strong global demand, and rising domestic employment and wage levels boosted Germany's growth in the first quarter. Steady rise in industrial production and upbeat labor market. Per the latest report from Federal Statistics Office on May 7, Germany's industrial production rose 1% in March. This marked its biggest gain in the last 4 months and was achieved on a steady increase in exports. Exports increased at a seasonally adjusted rate of 1.7%. The labor market has remained untapped in Germany in recent months. The jobless rate in the country dipped to a seasonally adjusted 5.3% last month. Moreover, leading economic institutes in Germany stated that they expect the number of people employed to surge to 44.9 million in 2018 from 44.3 million in 2017, with the overall unemployment rate dropping to as low as 5.2%. Solid stock, strong labor market conditions, steadily increasing industrial production and robust global demand gave Germany's economic growth a boost in the first quarter. In this context, we have selected 4 stocks that are expected to gain from Germany's economic resilience. These 4 stocks carry a Zacks rank. You can see the complete list of today's Zacks. SAP SE is a provider of enterprise software services and analytics and business intelligence solutions across the globe. The company is based out of Waldorf and carries a Zacks rank. The Zacks consensus estimate for the current year has improved 1% over the last 60 days. Bayerische Motoren Aktiengesellschaft is a developer, manufacturer and seller of automobiles across the world. The company is based out of Munich and carries a Zacks rank. It has expected earnings growth of 16.50% for the current year. The Zacks consensus estimate for the current year has improved 1.3% over the past 60 days. Daimler AG is a developer and manufacturer of passenger cars, trucks, vans, and buses. The company is based out of Stuttgart and carries a Zacks rank. The Zacks consensus estimate for the current year has improved 0.1% over the past 60 days. KION Group AG is a provider of supply chain and logistics services. The Zacks rank. The company has expected earnings growth 45.71% for the current year. The Zacks consensus estimate for the current year has improved 0.1% over the past 60 days. Looking for stocks with skyrocketing upside. Zacks has just released a special report on the booming investment opportunities of legal marijuana. Ignited by new referendums and legislation, this industry is expected to blast from an already robust $6.7 billion to $20.2 billion in 2021. Early investors stand to make a killing, but you have to be ready to act and know just where to look. See the pot trades we are targeting. Greater than media. Contact Zacks Investment Research 800-767-3771 next. 9339 support@zacks.com http://www.zacks.com. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Inherent in any investment is the potential for loss. This material is being provided for informational purposes only and nothing herein constitutes investment, legal, accounting or tax advice, or a recommendation to buy, sell or hold a security. No recommendation or advice is being given as to whether any investment is suitable for a particular investor. It should not be assumed that any investments in securities, companies, sectors or markets identified and described were or will be profitable. All information is current as of the date of herein and is subject to change without notice. Any views or opinions expressed may not reflect those of the firm as a whole. Zacks Investment Research does not engage in investment banking, market making or asset management activities of any securities. These returns are from hypothetical portfolios consisting of stocks with Zacks rank equals 1 that were rebalanced monthly with 0 transaction costs. These are not the returns of actual portfolios of stocks. V is an unmanaged index. Visit http://www.zacks.com/performance for information about the performance numbers displayed in this press release. Daimler AG DDAIF free. Stock Analysis Report Bayerische Motoren Werke AG BAMXF Free Stock Analysis Report SAP SE SAP Free Stock Analysis Report KION Group AG KIGRY Free Stock Analysis Report Original Post Zacks Investment Research